Do you want to be able to turn off your Owlet Dream Sock? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to explain to you step by step exactly how to do this. So what you're going to do firstly is to just unplug the base station and then remove the Dream Sock, as you can see. Then press and hold the base station button while you actually plug the base station back in. Keep pressing the button until you hear the base station chirp 4 times. And then the light ring will change to blinking orange instead. And then you need to release pressure after the first chirp is heard, as you can see. And basically, then step number 3 is going to be to quickly press the base station button once. The base station will chirp once. In return, it is important that you actually click the button while the ring is blinking orange, otherwise the Dream Sock will not properly turn off. If successful, the Dream Sock light on the bottom of the base station will not be illuminated, and the sensor light on the Dream Sock will then turn off. The base station will then turn off completely as well, so this is basically exactly how to do this.